Hello my crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today because I received Happy Mail. Yay for Happy Mail. This is from Pam Chambers, and I just wanted to share with you what she sent me. I don't know what she sent, but she decorated the box really cute. It looks like 4th of July theme, and it says Happy Mail, and she's got a star right there. Really, really cute. Thank you for taking the time to decorate it. I love that little sticker with the little eyelashes. Super, super cute. So thank you so much, Pam, for thinking of me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this box. I don't know what she sent. Let me take it out of the bag. Got it in this red tissue, so I'm assuming it is 4th of July themed. Okay. Oh, it's an embellishment box. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. All right, here's the card. I'll start with the card first. Oh, look how super cute the card is. Love it. She embossed the card with the really pretty star embossing folder and then made a little, oh my gosh, the little 4th of July man. Oh my gosh, I cannot thank you guys, but you know what I'm talking about. The president. Super cute. Love it. And then on the inside, it says, Happy 4th of July. I love your YouTube channel. I have been doing crafts all my life, but never heard of Happy Mail and craft hauls. I am addicted now. This is the first time I've ever sent Happy Mail. Hope you can find something to do with the embellishments, Pam. Thank you for giving me something to watch. Oh, you're welcome, Pam. Thank you. This is so exciting. Happy Mail is so much fun. It really, really is. And thank you so much. Look how super cute. She sent me an embellishment box, and it's Happy 4th of July. And I love that you used the crepe paper on your stars and she layered them. That is so extra pretty. And she actually made a pocket on the front of her embellishment box. And she has some goodies in here. She gave me some stickers, some of these really cute 4th of July stickers. And then she gave me, oh my gosh, some really fun embellishments it looks like. Let me just take them out and share. Look how super cute. And it has even some bling right there. Oh my gosh, that one holding a firework. I think that's Uncle Sam. I couldn't think of it, you guys. I'm crazy. My brain, I don't know what's wrong with me. I can never think of words when I'm filming myself. Super, super cute. And look at these really pretty doilies. She die cut out red, white, and blue. Those are really, really pretty. I love those. And another fireworks. Super, super cute. And there's another one. I love the little eyelashes on that. The little Uncle Sam. Super, super cute. All right, and then let me open it up and let's check out the embellishment box. And look at all of these really pretty goodies. She made some, looks like crepe paper flowers with some really pretty bling. Those are gorgeous. I will definitely be using this kit for some 4th of July themed projects. She die cut out some bows. Oh, those are really, really pretty. And she did red, white, and blue. Love, 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 love. Thank you so much. This is so cute. And I love the size of this embellishment box. Oh, she even gave me some of these stars. I'm just gonna set that down. Some of these crepe paper stars. I'm gonna have to try this. Love it. I think Sandra loves to craft. I think she shared how to create these. So I'm gonna have to try this. It's so pretty. I love the effect. And do you crochet? Because that is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you, thank you. And then, oh my gosh, she die cut out some glasses in red, white, and blue. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. And then these little crocheted flowers are absolutely gorgeous. Some more glasses. And then there's the blue flower. Love, love, love. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with this kit. I love it, love it, love it. It's so cute. And then this one has an assortment of red, white, and blue buttons, and even some paper ones it looks like. And then this one right here has a bunch of different beads. And look at these little beads. Did you make this? hope that's focused. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. So I could put that on a charm. It's like a little Liberty Bell. Oh my gosh, how adorable. And then there's some more little stars and little embellishments in there, and another crochet doily. Beautiful. I always enjoy getting these because I don't know how to crochet, so thank you so much. This one looks like a sequence mix. It has a bunch of these little red beads and stars. Really, really pretty. And then look at these really pretty die cuts. I love this. I don't think I have this die. This is really, really pretty. Gorgeous. Thank you so much for taking the time to do this. I love it. Some more fun little die cuts right here. Look how super cute. She's got red arrows and then this little bow and the little hand. How fun. Oh, look at those tiny little lips. I hope I'm on frame, you guys. This is so, so cute. I love it, Pam. Thank you, thank you. And then there's another one of those crepe paper flowers. Really, really pretty. And then this one has little stars. I'll take those out so you can see red, white, and blue. Super, super cute. So now I have an embellishment kit ready to go for 4th of July. Thank you so much. I'm going to just kind of zoom in. There is her information. And her name is Pam, and that's her email, and it says Just Scrap Happy. I wonder if that's your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section below. But Pam, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate you sending me this happy mail. This is absolutely adorable. I'm so happy that I can inspire so many people to craft and have fun. You know, this is just a fun way to meet people and enjoy your hobby with others. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.